Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Now we're going to take a look at the phrase, please give him the clap. Here's the situation. You are at a party. Your friend can play the piano very well. You ask him to play the piano for everyone. He plays a very beautiful and nice song. When he finishes, you want everyone listening to applaud. You want them to clap their hands. So you say, please give him the clap. But when you say this, everyone looks at you very strangely. Why? Well, it is true that the word clap means to bring your hands together to make a noise and to applaud someone, like this. But the phrase, please give him the clap, is wrong. Instead of this phrase, you should say this. Please give him a hand, or give him a hand. Okay, let's do some review. Today we looked at the phrase, please give him the clap. This is incorrect. The word clap does mean to bring your hands together to make noise and to applaud someone. But the sentence, please give him the clap, is wrong. Instead, try the sentences, please give him a hand, or give him a hand. These are better when you want to tell an audience to applaud someone. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.